The Muckster 2, footwear perfect for any chore or task. This classic family of shoes is great for when you're out in the garden, doing chores around the house, or taking care of your pets. These shoes are easy on, easy off staples for houses across the country. They start with a full neoprene bootie for comfort and performance. They're 100% waterproof with hand-laid rubber and neoprene to give you a close fit against your foot. It comes with a self-cleaning rubber outsole built to last. This outsole's lugs are built so that as dirt dries and you're walking, they will naturally start falling out of the sole. It has an EVA insole for comfort and customized fit. Over time, as you're wearing these shoes, the EVA will compress to mimic the bottom of your foot, which means you'll get a customized fit, but at the same time, since you're standing in a full neoprene sock, you're gonna have all-day comfort from the first step to your last step. It comes in both the low, with the easy on, easy off, and a mid-roll down for a little style and versatility. The Muckster 2 is widely known as the best friend of anyone who lives and works in the outdoors. Its reputation for durability and comfort is unmatched. The Muckster 2, new for spring 21, our colorway of Castle Gray with flat floral design in a women's low, and Castle Gray with flat floral design in a women's roll down. For spring 21, the Muckster 2 line. Lows for men and women, ankle heights for men, and roll downs for women. Muckster 2, the best friend a gardener ever had.